YouTube, what's poppin'? Quintin in the building. Of course, I'm about to make these videos because I want everybody to be successful in life. I want everybody to get these tips and pro tips. These are keys. These are gems in life that I feel like everybody needs to hear. So if you can, guys, smash that thumbs up button if this video is helpful. But yeah, we're gonna talk about Chime Credit Builder Card. If you guys have a card, drop the comments below. But I made my first purchase with StockX. Hopefully everything works out. It's Credit Builder Card. If you guys want to sign up with Chime, check the link in the description. You'll get $50. But with the Credit Builder Card, you basically have the card, you put $50 on there. You have $50 to spend. After so while, it gets reported to your credit. So then you're actually building your credit while spending your own money. So you're not spending somebody else's money. You're not spending a loan from another bank or anything like that. You're spending your own money, and then you're actually helping yourself build credit. I actually bought some Yeezys from StockX. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on those, so stay tuned for that as well. So subscribe if you guys want to see that unboxing. I bought some Yeezys. They were a gift. I'm not going to spill it because I don't want anybody that's watching this video, but by the time they watch this video, hopefully I already they got them. They should be here. But yeah, I ordered some Yeezys through StockX. Guys, if you guys ordered with your Chime card, let me know, and if it actually works. You know, a lot of people like to ask me, and I want to know as well, does it work? Do you guys got good results, bad results? I know a lot of people said that the Chime card actually decreased and then it increased. I know for sure it's getting reported. I know for sure it's getting reported, but yeah, I just wanted to see if you guys have used your Chime card before, and this is my first purchase. Some Yeezys from StockX. Hopefully everything turns out good, and I will let you guys know as well an update video if it actually reported on there. You know, and what it report as, because a lot of people also been asking, well, does it really report, does it not? I actually made a video discussing if it reports or not. You guys can check that video out. I'm gonna put it right here. It'll be one wherever I feel it's gonna be up there. If you guys want to check that video out as well, either right now or go check it out after this video. Click back into it, because this is a lot of helpful information, you know what I mean, that we need to spread this word. We need to spread this good energy. And yeah, man, so if you guys order from Chime with your Credit Builder Card, let me know. You know what I mean, I kind of want to know exactly what's the proper word, you know what I mean, like, is it working or not? You know, everybody's experience is different. But yeah, I just ordered these Adidas. There we go, order verified and shipped. Once these Yeezys come, I'll do an unboxing on these. You guys already know we're gonna get that unboxing going. But yeah, if you order from StockX as well, let me know. Let me know what that experience is like. But yeah, man, these are good gems. These are like key facts that I feel like a lot of people need to know, especially it's 2020. We're trying to build credit, build your wealth. You know what I mean? So it's a lot of things, a lot of different things that's going to help you guys. If I can help you guys on the way, why not? Why not? If this is helpful information, smash that thumbs up button, because we got a lot more content and a lot more tips, especially when it comes to Chime. There's a lot more tips that's out there. If you guys do want to sign up with Chime, like I mentioned before, all you guys do is use my code that's in the description. They'll give you $50, they'll give me $50. It's a win-win. You recruit somebody else, they give you $50. So it's a win-win. You know what I mean? It's a win-win, but you get a saving and banking account. Then you get the Chime Credit Builder Card, which we're discussing in this video. If you guys want any more information about setting up Chime, anything like that, drop those comments below as well. You know, you get your little Chime card, and then after so long, they're doing a promotion right now. After so long, after 40 transactions, you'll get a shiny metal card. So you get a shiny metal card after 40 transactions. You know what I mean? So they're actually doing little stuff like that as well. But yeah, use my code in the description. Feel free to use it. Feel free to ask questions. You know what I mean? We're trying to help. You know, but this Chime Credit Builder Card, it's a win-win. Can't go wrong. As I mentioned and stated before, waiting on the Yeezys. I'm gonna do an unboxing on those once those come. I don't know if I should put what they are on the screen yet because I don't want it like to be spoiled. Let's see. I'm trying to check. But yeah, I might just put them on the screen for you guys. So yeah, if this video helped, smash that thumbs up button. If you guys got any other questions regarding Chime, I can try to assist and help you guys. If not, just shoot to their website. You know what I mean? Just shoot straight over to their website if you got any questions regarding that. And any tips you guys got with Chime and building credit, drop the comments below. Cause I'm also open to actually understand how to build credit. I know there's so many different ways, different techniques, different methods you can do to build your credit. So let's share all this information. You know what I mean? Drop the comments below, as I mentioned. I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna do another video with the unboxing on there. All right. So stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Guys, if you guys want more content, you guys like this content, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to spread some good energy. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody you miss them. Give them a hug. Just like that, we signing out.